Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. I'm Ahmed al-Sheikh. Our lesson today, inshallah, is about a short word, rajul. This word consists of three letters, three Arabic letters, ra, jim, lam. Ra, jim, lam. The easiest reading of this word is rajul. It's a common word. Rajul, a man. Rajul. Rajul. The plural is rijal. Rajul, singular. رجال plural. هذا رجل. هذا رجل. هؤلاء رجال. هذا رجل. هؤلاء رجال. When I say هذا رجل طيب, this is a good man. هذا رجل طيب. هؤلاء رجال طيبون. These are good men. هؤلاء رجال طيبون. I'm linking these words together. هؤلاء رجال طيبون. Remember the vowel sounds of the three letters رجل. When we change these vowels, رجل, it's another reading. رجل. رجل means a leg. A leg. رجل. And the plural is أرجل. 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 رجل is a singular noun. The plural noun is أرجل. رجل. أرجل. When I say هذه رجلي, هذه رجلي, this is my leg. هذه رجلي. When I say رجله تؤلمه, رجله تؤلمه, his leg hurts. رجله تؤلمه. رجله تؤلمه. His leg was broken. رجله كسرت in the passive voice. كسرت. رجله, his leg. رجله. رجله. رجله كسرت. رجله كسرت. His leg was broken. What is the verb using this root? يترجل. يترجل means walk. Using his feet to walk. When I say, for example, يترجل أحمد إلى المدرسة كل يوم. يترجل أحمد إلى المدرسة كل يوم means Ahmed walks to school every day. يترجل أحمد إلى المدرسة كل يوم. Ahmed is the subject of the sentence. Ahmed. يترجل walks. This is the verb. يترجل. إلى المدرسة to school. To school. كل يوم every day. كل يوم. كل يوم. The last verb from the root را جيم لام يسترجل. يسترجل. Yastarjil here, it has a strange meaning among Arabs, but in the modern age, this is common. Yastarjil means behaves like men, look like men. When I say the child behaved like men, استرجل الطفل أو الطفل استرجل. The past form of the verb يسترجل. استرجل. استرجل means behaved like men. The child behaved like men. The child looked like men. استرجل الطفل. When I say, this is the most common meaning now. استرجلت المرأة. It's a strange meaning among Arabs. استرجلت المرأة. This means that the woman behaved like men, looks like men. استرجلت المرأة or تسترجل المرأة. The woman behaves like men. تسترجل المرأة. She behaves like men. She looks like men. استرجلت المرأة. She behaved in the past tense like men. This means that sometimes in figure, in personality, in behavior, she looks like them. She looks like men. And this kind of behavior, this kind of dealing, treatment, it's not allowed among Arabs. It's not nice. It's not good. We believe that man is a man. A woman is a woman. Just. Thank you very much, dear friends. Till we meet again, I wish you good luck. مع السلامة.